Hey everyone, welcome back. And today we have a treat for all you carrot cake lovers out there. We're going to be making some absolutely delicious carrot cake cookies. Yes, you heard it right. All the flavors of a classic carrot cake, but in a perfectly soft and chewy cookie form. Trust me, you won't be able to resist these. Before we dive into the recipe, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our tasty recipes. Now let's get started with these carrot cake cookies. Here's what you'll need for this recipe. 1 cup grated carrots, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup brown sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/2 cup chopped walnuts or pecans, optional. 1/2 cup raisins, optional. Preheat the oven. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 2. Grate the carrots. Start by grating 1 cup of fresh carrots. The finer, the better, as it helps distribute the carrot flavor throughout the cookie. 3. Cream butter and sugar. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and brown sugar until light and fluffy. 4. Add wet ingredients. Add in the egg and vanilla extract. Mix until well combined. 5. Combine dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. 6. Combine wet and dry mixtures. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. 7. Fold in carrots and extras. Gently fold in the grated carrots and, if you're feeling adventurous, add in chopped nuts and raisins for that extra texture and flavor. 8. Scoop and bake. Using the cookie scoop or a spoon, drop rounded portions of dough onto a lined baking sheet. Make sure to space them out to allow for spreading. 9. Bake to perfection. Pop these into the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. And there you have it, our irresistible carrot cake cookies. Don't forget to let them cool for a few minutes on the baking sheet before transferring them to a wire rack. If you try this recipe, be sure to let me know in the comments how they turned out for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.